Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just doing Department of Transportation. I mean, there's nothing really else for me to do. So let's go and fix this up here. It'll be a little laggy, but we'll get there. I wonder if the other DOT operator took care of it. Yes, he took care of it. Jeez, everyone's going everywhere today. Yeah, but today is just all about DOT. Let's go ahead and grab a flatbed. I'll work with the flatbed today. You might even purchase a sweeper. I mean, I don't know. Fuck. Fire trucks come out of nowhere. Oops. I'm not paying for that. Uh, let's get this. Let's go ahead and tell them. Let's go ahead and get that in there. Oh, God, I'm off the road. See what this guy's doing. Si, what are you doing? Oh, I, I can't help. I'm only a DOT operator. I'm not no fire truck firefighter. I'm not a medic. I'm not a firefighter. Just a tow operator. Wow. It's fire. Why does it have to lag like this? I mean, it's supposed to run like a. It's whatever. Oh, oh, stop, 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 stop. Let me talk to this firefighter real quick, guys. I was just over there. He could have just told me to tow his car while I was there. But no, he didn't. Am I the only DOT person here today? God damn it. I'm sorry, guys. This is just unreal. I want our servers at a date. Move. Dude, what the hell? People like this is stupid, I tell you that. People like these they are the dumbest people, I swear to God. They're the most dumbest people. They sit there and take the calls that you go to. And I guess they go to this other call. This is fucking stupid. Those are the kind of people that you fucking hate, I tell you that. Watch him go over there too. He's following me, that's the thing. I knew he was following me. Yeah, go that way. It's hard enough when the game's lagging. There's that. Yeah, my game's not fully loaded. Ah! Sorry, I'm tired. I don't want to deal with this stuff. Oh, alright, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this video short today. But hopefully I'll be able to make another one. See ya.